here's an easy version of happy. So you're gonna start with the right hand over here. Your 3 and 4 fingers are gonna hit F and G, and your left hand, your 3 fingers going on a G, and your thumb is going on a B. And you're gonna hit this 5 times, like 5 quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then you have a rest. It's an 8th rest, so it's a quick one. So like 1 and then you're gonna play F with the 3 finger. This is all right hand stuff. G with the 4, another G with the 4, and then 3 Ds with the 1, and then 2 Fs with the 3, and then a G with the 4. So that little piece is. If we put all that together, we have this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and then the right hand is hitting the F and G again. And that gets held for 8 counts. Meantime, your left hand is doing this funky bass line. So you're going to go 5 on this G down here, and then 3 hits a B flat, and then your 1 hits a C, back to the B flat, up to a D with the 1, and then the C with the 2, and then B flat, G, B flat, G. Put that together and we have this. Then you're shifting your right hand up to grab F and B flat at the same time, and you're going to play that 4 times like this. And then your thumb is going to hit 2 Ds, and then your 1 is going to hit 2 Ds, and then 2 Fs with your 2, and then a G with your 3. So if we put all that stuff together, we have this. And then you're going to want to shift that down, the right hand back down to grab the F and G again. That's held for 6 counts this time. And your left hand is going to play another funky bass line. So you're going 5 on G, 3 on B flat, 2 on C, 3 back to B flat, and then 1 to D, and then another D, and then you're going to hit another D, C, and then when you're hitting this B flat with the 3, your thumb on your right hand is hitting 2 Ds, and then a G. So if we play that, we have. Then your right hand is going to hit 3 Gs with the 4 finger, and then an A with the 5, and then 4 Fs with the 3, and then a G with the 4. So that little part is like this. So if we put that line together, we have this. Let's put all that together. 1, 2, 3, 4.